The idea is to propose to the allergic patient a short course treatment that will improve the acceptance of the treatment by the allergic patient, but also the compliance. You have to know that 1 patient out of 4 in Europe refuse to start with allergy immunotherapy treatment. And the one who accept don't terminate the treatment. Only 1 out of 10 terminate the treatment when this treatment is taken orally. So I think that a short course treatment can really improve acceptance and compliance of immunotherapy treatment by the allergic patient. With adjuvant, there is always the fear of a safety issue. And this fear is greater when the number of injection of the adjuvant is higher. And in immunotherapy treatment, you need to receive between 40 to 60 shots before to be cured. But in any case, we don't care because we don't need to have an adjuvant for our treatment. So the safety of our product would be better than any product, including an adjuvant. We target the patient who are not satisfied with the current treatment like antihistamine or inhaled corticosteroids, and who have visited their general practitioner to find a solution. Afterwards, they go to the allergist in order to find an alternative to the symptomatic treatment. And so we are targeting these people who are the most allergic and who are not satisfied by the current treatment. So I think that we also target the people who refuse to start with the current immunotherapy, who last at least for 3 years, or the people who are not compliant to current immunotherapy treatment. And so if an allergist has patients that are not compliant, he can call them back and propose them a short treatment. First of all, we have a strong patent portfolio protecting the technology. Second, the product is a biological product, and it's always difficult to copy a biological product. And in any case, anybody who will copy the product will need to perform all the clinical development before being on the market. So it gives us a real competitive advantage to be today the first using and developing this technology. No, I don't think that sublingual immunotherapy is a threat, because today the compliance to current sublingual immunotherapy is very low. Less than 1 patient out of 10 complete the full treatment. So there is a problem of compliance leading to a lack of real-life clinical efficacy. We expect to start with the second phase 3 by the end of this year, and we expect to have the results of this phase 3 clinical trial by the end of 2019. The difference between the current phase 3 we are preparing are the following. This time we will have only 1 renowned contract research organization managing all the study. We are selecting the center on the basis of their pollen history. We also limit the number of patients per center in order to have a BA related to 1 center where the patients are not allergic enough or where the pollen season is very low. And the fourth improvement is that we will provide to the patient an electronic diary in order to improve their compliance to record their symptoms and their drug intake. So today we hope that we can apply our technology platform to other respiratory allergens like horseless mite, ragweed, Japanese cedar, but we target also food allergy because there is a huge unmet medical need in food allergy. Today there is no registered drug treatment for food allergy, and I think that there is still a huge room for product providing allergic patients with a therapeutical solution for peanut allergy, cow's milk allergy, egg white allergy. I think that food allergy immunotherapy is really exciting because there is clearly a huge medical need. And for instance, if we can cure the patient in few months, it will help them a lot. And in any case, I suppose that those patients will need to be followed up by the allergist. And maybe they will need to have allergy shot every 3 months or something like that. So I think that for us, it's a strategic move because we will address market with higher economical potential.